Right now, Bitcoin is creating another consolidation pattern, and in this exact video, I will be discussing the price targets of this pattern and also the criteria, what we need to see in order to confirm a breakout. Yesterday as well, we have seen the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle we discussed. After this symmetrical triangle broke down, we reached the price target and Bitcoin moved up again here. And on today's video, I will be talking about all my other price targets. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I will be going over the most important charts in crypto right now. And can we once again smash up those likes above 350? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And of course, initially, I want to be talking about yesterday's consolidation pattern. Of course, like you see, we created this symmetrical triangle, and after we had the confirmed breakdown, we moved down significantly towards the downside. We reached our price target and straight away we moved back towards the upside. Right now, if I do extend these lines here, if I do look at the downward sloping resist line and extend it here to the left and look also at this line right here, we can currently clearly see that we're still getting rejected by this downward sloping resistance line for Bitcoin. And this is also right now the most important level that we need to break. And if I'm looking at a bigger perspective, we can see that we're even creating another consolidation pattern on the bigger picture right now for Bitcoin. This pattern could definitely well consolidate for another 2 to 3 days here. And once it does break out, this will definitely cause a more volatile move. And talking about a more volatile move, I'm expecting towards a potential breakout towards the upside to 17.3k or a breakdown towards levels around 16.1k. So this is going to be very important to look at. If we're going to be breaking down, I'm going to go in with a short, and also vice versa if we're going to be breaking bullish. Of course, currently I am already long on Bitcoin with a 1.7x leverage long position, but this is my swing trade. But for these kinds of a breakout, I will also open up a different trade, and that is of course a scalp trade for Bitcoin. Right now as well, if I'm looking at the daily time frame, still the most important resistance is that blue box around 18.4k, and we are looking at a potential small little uptrend on the daily time frame. And if we can keep continuing going in towards this trend, it's going to be looking good. But of course, still I'm very much aware as well that we're currently creating also somewhat of a bear flag here on the bigger picture on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and that is definitely a thing that I do not want to be seeing breaking down for Bitcoin. So that is what I'm currently looking at here. If you want to be trading this market, you can find all the links in the description to get an additional deposit bonus. And on top of that, if I'm currently looking at the total market capitalization for crypto and the whole industry, it is currently bouncing from its previous all-time high. If I'm looking at the daily MACD, we're about to be having a bullish crossover. And what I really like to see right now here, this is the Nasdaq chart. We are currently bouncing. I mean, we've been touching this legendary support line for quite a lot of times already, and we're once again touching it. This is the Nasdaq 100, and usually Bitcoin tends to move with up the Nasdaq or with down with the Nasdaq. So if we can get a bounce from this very important level, it will mean very good things for Bitcoin. And that is also what I am currently looking out for. So keep your eyes wide open on that one. Also want to be pointing out, in 8 days from now on, we will be having the next monthly candle close, and that will mean that we're coming closer and closer towards the halving, because if I'm looking at the halving countdown, we're currently only 480 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. And if I will be looking at the previous cycle, we can see that an approximately 480 days was also between the exact bottom for Bitcoin and the next halving. So is this yet again another signal? That is of course a thing that we will only find out once it's too late. But currently I think this is an important signal to pay attention towards. So I am dollar cost averaging in towards this market. So yes, today was a very short update video. If you do enjoy these very short videos, don't forget to slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.